everybody! Welcome to another fun-filled adventure with me, Sammy the Squirrel. It's me, Sammy the Squirrel, and I have something super-duper exciting to show you today. Have you ever wondered how to tie your shoelaces all by yourself? Well, wonder no more because I'm here to help. We're going to learn how to tie our shoelaces all by ourselves. It's a fun and important skill that every kid should know. And guess what? It's easier than you think. Tying shoelaces is like magic for your feet. Imagine being able to make your shoes fit perfectly with just a few simple steps. It's like having a superpower. Once you know how, you can wear your coolest shoes everywhere you go. You can run, jump, and play without worrying about your laces coming undone. How awesome is that? Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. Grab your favorite pair of shoes and let's dive into the world of shoelace tying. I promise it's going to be a lot of fun. First, grab those wiggly laces. Make sure you have a good grip on them because they can be quite slippery and tricky to handle. It's important to hold them firmly so they don't slip away. Hold one lace in each hand. This is the starting point for tying your shoes. Make sure each lace is straight and not tangled. It helps to have them even in length. Now, cross them over each other, making an X like you're about to play tic-tac-toe. This X is the foundation of your knot. It's like creating a little bridge with your laces. See that loop at the bottom where they cross? This loop is crucial because it's where the magic happens. It's the gateway to forming a secure knot. Take the lace on top and pull it under and through. Now, pull them tight. This step ensures that your knot is secure and won't come undone easily. Make sure to pull firmly but gently. You just made your first knot. High five! Celebrate this small victory because tying your shoes is a big step towards independence. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro. Now the fun part! It's time to learn how to tie your shoelaces in a fun and easy way. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, take one lace and make a loop. Hold it up high like a bunny ear. Can you see it? Great job! This is the first step to making your bunny ears. Now, do the same thing with the other lace. Make another loop, just like the first one. Now you have two bunny ears, aren't they cute? You're doing fantastic! Take one bunny ear and cross it over the other bunny ear, just like we did before. This is the tricky part, but I know you can do it. Keep going! Now pull that ear through the hole at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. You're almost there. Pull it tight and watch your bunny ears hop up your shoelace. You've done it! Look at those perfect bunny ears. Great job, everyone. Look at you. You tied your shoelaces all by yourself. That's amazing. You're a shoelace superstar. Now you can put on your shoes and run, jump, and play all day long. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be tying your shoelaces faster than a squirrel can gather nuts. Bye for now.